podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe. G-A-I-on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Ojibwe. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. On the piano, the Miigwech Chigun piano. We have the lovely and talented Natasha BOOZHOO. And of course, on the guitar, we have Michael Lyons. Ikadom BOOZHOO Niji. Hello, everyone. And I am Nana BOOZHOO. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Let's just make it piano, huh?
Yeah, why not?
Miigwech Chigun piano. And, I always tell people, oh, no, I don't really play piano. But I do play a little piano. I never took lessons. I just goof around. And, I play a little guitar, and I play a little harmonica, and I sing a little bit. And I like to draw, and I like to paint, and I can do a lot of things, And every once in a while, a kid comes up to me, and he'll be like, how come you can do so many things? How come you're so good at everything? And it's like, I'm just kidding. I'm not good at a lot of things. But everybody has talents. I can't fix a car very well. And I don't know how to cook very well. But I can do all these other things. And the reason why is that when I was growing up, we didn't have the internet. And we didn't have movies and games. We didn't have video games. You'd have to go into town. For us, it was like a 25-mile drive. And you'd put a quarter in a machine in an arcade, and you'd play a video game for like 2 minutes. And, you'd run out of money after about 5 minutes, and that was it. So, I don't know, but I don't think there's an Ojibwe word for bored.
Oh, really?
I think that's a new concept. Back in the days of the grandfathers, people didn't get bored. They didn't have that luxury.
Yeah, huh?
And what is boredom anyway? I always say, boring people get bored. Boredom isn't even boredom. I think boredom is like, anxiety or something. Or lack of imagination.
Yeah, probably.
Or you're just not inspired yet. Mm-hmm. So here's my advice for you kids. Get bored. Interesting things can happen. And when you don't have anything to do, you develop skills.
That's true.
Like sports, for that matter. The reason why people play sports is they had nothing to do. And they're like, oh, wow, it's a beautiful day. When a bunch of us are around, let's organize something. Let's call this baseball.
Yeah, huh?
Or soccer. I don't know why I'm saying all this. Anyway, Miigwech Chigun if you, it's a better way to spend your time than playing video games. There, I said it. Get off the internet and play the Miigwech chikan. Play the piano. All right. Well, with that, I'm just gonna say thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast all about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO. Over here is Natasha. BOOZHOO! And over here is Michael Lyons. BOOZHOO! And I am not a BOOZHOO. And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin!
Minawa!
Minawa!
Hoa!
Hoa!